Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Eric, and in this channel you'll find anything and everything filmmaking. So if you guys want more of that, consider subscribing. But until then, let's get on with today's video. Today's video, I have to tell you guys where I've been and what I've been up to, because it's been a minute. And there's a lot of stuff going on. But I do want to let you guys know what's going on. And I know this isn't necessarily filmmaking related, but it is filmmaking related to the future of this channel. So we're gonna get started right now. Before I talk about the future stuff about this channel, I'm gonna let you guys know where I've been. For this part though, I do have to fess up. I kinda did lose a little bit of inspiration. I feel like I've been just doing the same exact thing constantly. And I want to do something more creative, and I've been thinking just a lot about how to do that and where this channel is gonna go. And there's just a lot in my head because of that. Now the second thing is, I recently got promoted in my job at Flix Brewhouse. Before I was a server, now I am a front of house manager. And Doctor Strange just came out, it just was a busy week. All this stuff happened and it's just been so insane at work, and I've been trying to find a way to have work-life balance. Before I get to the next part, again, if you guys want to see more filmmaking stuff, go ahead and like and subscribe. But let's get on with the next part. Now we're here to what I have been up to besides those things of where I've been and why I have been gone. So now, what have I been up to? So there's somewhat a second promotion that I got in the job, and that's basically a social media manager as well, where I'll be running the social media side of the local Flix here. And I'm super excited about this because for like what I've been up to and where I've been and whatnot has all been related to this. I've been working nonstop, and on my days off, I would still go into work and set up areas on where I can film, learning and testing and just doing a lot of stuff filmmaking behind the scenes wise on being able to create videos and photos for this company. And I'm super excited on where this is gonna go, because I'm gonna make videos on how to do this stuff. I'm gonna just do a lot more creative stuff with this, especially now that there's a lot more filmmakers that are working at Flix Brewhouse. So we're getting a lot of hands in on this. We're getting and also outside of Flix, we're gonna do some short films, and I am just super excited to show you guys what's gonna come next. And I hope you guys stay along for the ride. Again, I'm sorry for being gone. I'm genuinely sorry, but honestly I think it's gonna be worth it. Thank you for coming back and whatnot. I know it's only been like 1 week since I've uploaded, but still I'm sorry, and I can't wait to see what's going on next, because I'm on this grind right now. There's such a big grind, and I can't wait to show you guys. So if you guys want to see some old videos that I do have though, just to have some filler time until I get to upload some more, go ahead and check out this playlist right up here. It's gonna be about all the reviews, and if you guys just want to check out some of my other videos, go ahead and check out the channel as well. Or if you guys want to check out the gear I use in this video and all my past videos, go ahead and check those out and down in the description below. It's gonna be no extra cost to you guys if you guys end up buying it, but it'll help out the channel, so help us out that way. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and dream on.